everyone, and welcome to the Scratch programming course. If you've ever wanted to learn programming but felt that coding looked too difficult, then Scratch is the perfect place to begin. In this video, we'll understand what Scratch is, why it was created, and why millions of children around the world use it to learn programming. So what exactly is Scratch? Scratch is a free, visual, block-based programming language developed by the MIT Media Lab at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, one of the world's leading universities. It was specifically designed to introduce children and beginners to the world of programming in a fun, interactive, and easy to understand way. Unlike traditional programming languages where you have to type complex code and remember the correct syntax, Scratch allows you to create programs by simply dragging and dropping colorful coding blocks. These blocks fit together like puzzle pieces, making programming much easier and helping beginners focus on learning the logic behind coding instead of worrying about typing errors. With Scratch, you can create a wide variety of exciting projects, including interactive games, animated stories, cartoons, quizzes, music projects, simulations, educational applications, and interactive presentations. And once you've created your project, you can even share it with the global Scratch community where millions of users from around the world upload their creations, explore projects made by others, and learn from one another. But Scratch is much more than just a tool for making games and animations. As children build projects, they naturally develop important 21st century skills such as logical thinking, computational thinking, problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, sequencing, pattern recognition, debugging, collaboration, confidence in technology. All these skills are valuable skills that will benefit children not only in programming but also in math, science, engineering, and many other areas. One of the best things about Scratch is that it is completely free to use. So now, to get started, simply open your web browser and visit the Scratch website. You have to type scratch.mit.edu. If you prefer in your browser, once you type and you'll be able to reach the screen. If you prefer working offline, you can also download the Scratch desktop application for Windows, Mac, and selected Linux systems by going down here, and then you can press the download button and you'll get this screen where you can actually download Scratch for Windows, Mac, or you can get it on your Android phone as well. Now, to save your projects online and share them with the Scratch community, you can create a free Scratch account by choosing a username and password. So you can type on Join Scratch and you can create your username and password, and your Scratch account will be created by choosing a username and password. After signing in, you will be able to create, save, remix, and share your projects. Throughout this course, we'll learn Scratch step by step, starting from the absolute basics. Even if you've never written a single line of code before, don't worry. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own animations, games, interactive stories, and much, much more. So if you are a student, a parent looking to introduce your child to programming, or a teacher searching for an engaging way to teach coding, you are at the right place. So my dear friends, in the next video, we'll explore the Scratch interface and begin creating our very first Scratch project. So till then, make sure that you join the Scratch community, create your username and password, and are ready to sign in. See you in the next tutorial.